This is Buckshot Eaglescreech with 10 things they don't want you to know. Number 1, birds are real, but turtles ain't. Number 2, chemtrails are turning pilots trans because of DEI. Number 3, soy milk comes out of the devil's titties. Number 4, George Soros. Number 5, windmills give whales autism. Number 6, hamsters know too much. Number 7, COVID vaccines turn autistic whales gay. Number 8, JFK Jr. is alive and well, and he's Bigfoot. And Joe Biden is actively hunting him with George Soros. Number 9, Matthew McConaughey is a handsome man. Number 10, Monster energy drinks are not made out of actual monsters. Follow me for more information.